Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to go in great detail and talk about how you can set up a Shopify account in under 10 minutes. Now I'm going to go in great detail and talk to you step by step of what you need to do. So if you've not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon and click in the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days because seeing is believing. Now Shopify.com is the biggest tool available on the internet for e-commerce stores. So if you're an entrepreneur and you're thinking about starting your own business, Shopify.com is the best place to do it. And you can make your dreams a reality by selling your product on Shopify. Now you can discover why millions of entrepreneurs right now choose Shopify to build their business, because this is one of the biggest platforms that gives you a lot of flexibility and integration of different third-party apps that are available to help you enhance your Shopify store. They have the store builder that brings your vision to life with their easy-to-use store creator, and there's no coding expertise required. You just need a big idea. It is simple as that. They also have themes, and you can select from hundreds of customizable templates that are crafted by a community of world-class designers. You can add more features and functionalities to your online store with the app extensions from trusted Shopify partners that are available. Now, the thing that I personally love about Shopify is the fact that you can sell online, in person, or both with the marketing tools, social integrations, and sales channels you need to get your product in front of the customers and out the door. And this is one of the things that really sets it apart and gives it a competitive advantage in the industry, where you can manage your inventory and even track payments, as well as view real-time business insights from a single dashboard. And they've built all the tools that are required so you can focus on building your business, and they take care of everything else from stock inventories, payments, and they have templates for every single thing. It's a very simple, straightforward, step-by-step methodology. If you follow my videos and if you do what I'm telling you to do in a proper way, you will not face any problem, because they are literally empowering the entrepreneurs everywhere in the world. You can be anywhere and get access to everyone anywhere in the world, because Shopify is literally in 175 countries and it supports 5 million jobs, and its global economic activities is $444 billion. That is how big Shopify is at this moment in time. So if you're thinking about starting a business, this is a place to be, and it's very simple, it's very straightforward. All you need to do is click over here where it says start free trial, and once you click on it, you'll head to the next page. Once you click on it, you can create a Shopify ID and you can continue with your email or continue with Apple, or you can use your Facebook or your Google. It's very simple and straightforward. So select what you use mostly to ensure that you're always signed into your Shopify account. So now we're going to continue with our email. Now, as you can see, we can create our first online store, and obviously we can experiment with different designs and products until we learn what works. Now, there is a tip I'm going to give you guys right now, which is very crucial. At this moment in time, you need to understand the research that you need to do before you get into your business. So always make sure that you have a couple of templates, you play around with the store, you understand the dynamics of it, you understand how things tend to work, what information needs to be put, how that information needs to be displayed. And once you get a hang of it, only then take it to the public, because you don't want to get it wrong, because the level of advertising, the level of promotion, the level of connectivity that is required is really high. And also the competition in this industry is a lot. So make sure you get it right the first time. So let's go ahead and create our store. Once you've clicked on create a store, you'll get to the next step. Now let's get started. Which of these best describes you? So let's get started. Which of these best describes you? I'm just starting, or I'm already selling online in person. So we're going to go with I'm just starting. Then you're going to press next. Now, where would you like to sell? You can pick as many as you like, and obviously you can always change these later. And Shopify will make sure that you're set up to sell in these places. It could be an online store, it could be social media, in person, an existing website or blog, or even an online marketplace. So select what best suits you and then press next. Now, where will your business actually be located? They'll use the location to set up a default shipping rates, recommended apps, and so much more. So select the region from where you're working from and then just enter your store. This is the dashboard, guys, and if you have not signed up, I would suggest to click in the description below and get Shopify for 90 days and see for yourself. So on the left hand side, guys, you have your home, you have your orders, your products, your customers, analytics, marketing, and discounts, and then you have your online store. On the main side, obviously, if you look at it, this is a setup guide that's available where you can add your first product, you can add a custom domain, you can add brand assets, and even customize your theme. If you scroll down, you'll see and explore more support. And the thing that really makes Shopify stand out from its competitors is the fact that they always have a 24/7, 365 days support system available for every single individual to ensure that if you run into any problems whatsoever, there's always someone there to listen to you and guide you, support you, and help you, because that is what really makes Shopify stand out. On the left hand side, you'll see an option of apps. Once you click on it, you'll be able to search for different apps that are going to be available. Now, the thing over here that I'm going to share with you, this is a tip that you will never find if you're doing everything yourself. There are certain apps that will help you enhance your Shopify store, will make life easy for you. And if you download these apps, which are completely free for that matter, but you need to know what apps they are, they will literally make things move a lot faster without you doing a lot of work. They will help you enhance your Shopify store. And the first such app is Zendrop. Now, once we search for it, you'll see that the Zendrop global dropshipping app is available. 606 individuals have downloaded this and given reviews for it, and there's a free plan that's available for it as well. So let's click on this and see what this is about and why this is required for us to use. Now, you can start dropshipping in 30 seconds with Zendrop, with global dropshipping, with unique products. And they also have a free plan that's available. You can try it for 7 days completely free. Zendrop provides industry-leading shipping option, also easily adds products to your store with a push of a button. So there's no need to go and search for different products. You can easily use Zendrop and get everything sorted out. And they work with their customer support team around the clock to keep a pulse on all your business needs. All you need to do is click on add the app and you're good to go. So now, as you can see over here, once we drop it, we can actually install the app by clicking over here and selecting install. Now, as you can see, the Zendrop app is installed on our Shopify. Now we can search for different products and you can ship them from anywhere. And there's a lot of interesting thing over here. The newest product is displayed. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to see different products that are available that you can buy instantly from here and put it on your Shopify account. Now, if you scroll right up, there's something very interesting which I want to show you guys, where you can ship it from the US. You can look at the shop trends, you can look at the shop text, or even shop for pets as well. So they give you different options that are available. So let's now import a product from here to our Shopify store. So once we click on it, it's going to take us to the next page where it will give you details concerning this particular product, from the title of the product, from the supplier, and what the description is and what the price is going to be, as well as the shipping and the different variants that are going to be available. And obviously it's going to be shipped from the US or from Brazil or for internationally. It gives you all the information. Now, all you need to do is add it to your import list. And once you click on add to your import list, it's going to be added to your list. And on the left hand side, you'll see there's a little one that is displayed over here. That means there's one item that is in our import list. So we're going to click on import list. And once we click on it, we'll be able to see that this is a product that's available for importing. Now, there's a lot of actions that we can do. Now, if you look at the product over here, you can change the name of the product if you want to. You can keep it same. You can add different tags if you like, or you want to keep the same tags, that's perfectly fine as well. You can add product type, collections, and the customization and the flexibility that is available with Zendrop is brilliant. You can even edit the description if you want. You can look at the different variants that you have. You can add even images if you like. So these are all the possibilities that you can actually play around with. And if you're happy with everything, all you need to do is click on import to the store. Once you've done that, please make sure that you read the inventories and the production cycle delay. Once all of that is done, please make sure you click on confirm. So now let's head back to our Shopify store. Once you reach the store, on the left hand side, you'll have an option of products. Click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see the product has been added to your store, which is going to be the Christmas Santa soft phone case. Now you can view it by clicking over here and previewing it on your online store. So let's click on this right now. And this is what our product's going to look like on our store. As you can clearly see, with a few clicks, we were able to create our store and we were able to add a product onto our store with all the information that we wanted. Easily, simply, straightforward, and there was no problem whatsoever over here. And the level of customization and flexibility that is with Shopify is not available with other online stores. And if you want to add more products, it's very simple, guys. All you need to do is go back on Zendrop and you can add as many products as you want. And all you need to do is import them from here onto your Shopify store and you're good to go. Guys, if you have any questions whatsoever, do let me know in the comment section section below, because I'm here to help you, support you, and guide you. If you like the video, do let us know as well. And if you've not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family so more people can find out how simple, straightforward, and easy it is to set up your Shopify store and import different products from Zendrop. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.